Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download an embedded PDF file from almost any website, legally and step by step. This works for publicly accessible PDFs, like reports, research papers, guides, manuals, or study documents that are embedded directly into a web page, instead of being offered as a direct download. First, go to the website where the PDF is embedded. As you can see here, the PDF is visible inside the page, but there's no download button anywhere. This usually means the file is being loaded in the background through the browser, rather than being blocked or protected. Now, press F12 on your keyboard. This will open the browser's developer tools. Don't worry if this looks technical. We'll only use one small part of it. On the top menu of the developer panel, click on the Network tab. Once you're in the Network tab, make sure All is selected so nothing is filtered out. Now refresh the page by pressing Ctrl+R on your keyboard. This step is important because it allows the browser to capture everything that loads on the page, including the embedded PDF file. Give it a few seconds to fully reload. After the page finishes loading, look for the section called Fetch XHR and click on it. This is where most embedded files show up. Now move to the filter bar at the top and type PDF, then press Enter. You should now see a file that ends with .pdf appear in the list. This is the exact PDF that's embedded on the website. Right-click on that file and select Open in New tab. The PDF will open by itself in a new browser tab. From here, you can simply click the download icon or press Ctrl+S to save it to your computer like any normal PDF file. And that's it. This method works only for PDFs that are already publicly viewable, so always respect website terms and copyright rules. If you can view it freely, this method just lets you access the original file directly. Before you go, a quick reminder. When browsing random websites or accessing files online, protecting your data matters. I personally use NordVPN to keep my connection private and secure, especially on public or unfamiliar networks. You'll find a link in the description if you want to check it out.